Okay, we're up here in the attic, and it's a nice warm day. We'll be able to get some contrast. We're running 130 degrees just about up here, And but this is the air conditioning duct video, and I'm up here taking pictures of air leaks. There we go. I can feel it on my hand. These, not so much, not so bad. See all the definition, see how, you're going to have some thermal bridging. See the difference? In mass. Okay. So this is the downstairs unit. Not seeing anything really drastic. Okay. This is the upstairs unit. We already showed you something drastic.